Hello Charlotte, Shannon Coward here with Tameron Hyundai. You had inquired about the Santa Fe. I took the opportunity to pull the premium package out for you. So let's get right to it and give you a brief overview. You've got ample room in the back for 3 passengers. Also, you have third row seating. On the second row, you've got the nice sunshades that pull up manually. Now on the steering wheel, for your safety and convenience, you've got the volume control, cruise control, Bluetooth. Pair your phone before you drive off the lot. You've got auxiliary, iPod, USB, XM radio, AM, FM, backup camera, CD player, heated front seats. Gives you every avenue to listen to your music, and the comfort's right there at your fingertips on the steering wheel. But I want to tell you, Charlotte, the best thing possible. That is the America's best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. Now, if that's not good enough, Tameron the dealership adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever one comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 new vehicle warranty, a 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Coward. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250. Please give me a call on my cell. It's 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated. I look forward to meeting with you and working with you very soon. Thank you, Charlotte.